This is Pat Iyer with Linley Baker. Linley is a person who just finished writing her book. Linley, what were some of the key things that we covered in your show for Writing to Get Business?
One was overcoming the fear of writing a book. I am a numbers person, and a book is full of words and not numbers. And so we talked about how I set weekly goals, how I tracked it on an Excel spreadsheet, Excel being one thing that mathematicians love. And as I saw it gradually fill up, I gained more confidence, and eventually my fear subsided. We talked about my virtual launch party, which is going to happen before this airs, and it will introduce my friends and associates to the people in the book, to the story behind the book, story in the book, and hopefully get them all excited about the concepts. My book is about dreams, life dreams, and finding them, reaching them, getting over fear, leveraging hope, and things like that. So I'm hoping this is a topic that will appeal to the people who come to the party. And one of the gifts I have as a door prize at the party is a quote deck. And we talked about that on the podcast. What is a quote deck, and how can you use that in your business?
All right, be sure to listen to Linley Baker's podcast as she talks about her book. The title of the book, Linley, can you hold it up to the camera again and say it out loud for our audio listeners?
Don't be afraid to do what you really want to do. Reach all your life dreams.
Very nice. All right. Thank you so much, Linley, and thank you to you as the viewer. Be sure to get Linley Baker's podcast. You're going to be inspired by what Linley has gone through to build a career, take a long break from her career, come back, and write a book.